Deciding on what to cook during dinner can be a little bit of a hassle because 1, you're tired, and 2, you want to whip up a quick meal which will take no time. Today, we are going to be making some delicious egg and spinach stew, which is going to take less of your time. It's going to be delicious, flavorful, packed with lots of protein and nutrients since we have some spinach. And as for the ugali, it's going to be smoky, very flavorful and delicious. Don't ask where the flavor is going to come from because the smoky aroma in the ugali always slaps. This is one of those recipes that you don't want to miss out trying because the ingredients are super simple, readily available, and the dish is so easy to make. We have some spinach, I have green onions, coriander, eggs, and I have both free range and the regular eggs. For the free range eggs, they are going to add in some color and also protein. I have 3 large tomatoes, salt, and cooking oil. Over here, I have my maize flour or posho ready to make my ugali. So we're going to get straight into cooking this easy recipe. So I'm going to place a sufuria. This is a recipe for around 2 people, so you can double, triple the ingredients to make some more delicious lunch or dinner for your family. Grab a pan. And because I've already prepped up everything, the recipe is going to be a fast one. I love cooking with spring onions because they have tons of flavors. So you're going to slowly cook your onions for around a minute or until they get a nice light golden brown color. Keep on stirring as the onions are cooking because you don't want some dark bits of onion in your food. And also spring onions are very aromatic. You can catch that nice onion flavor. When the onions are ready, just like this, add in your tomato, stir in. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of tomato paste, which is going to enhance the color and also add in a very nice tomato flavor to the eggs. And as you stir, you notice that you have a nice reddish color. So you're going to cook together with the tomatoes, which is going to take around 1 to 2 minutes. If you notice that your pan is drying out, you can add in a splash of water so that the tomatoes can cook down. In a bowl, I'm going to be cracking in eggs. Use a fork and whisk the eggs. Check on my tomatoes. Add in a seasoning cube. When the tomatoes are ready, you're going to be adding in your eggs. Then using a spatula, you're going to scramble the eggs as they're cooking, and the flame should be at medium low. So as the eggs are cooking, I'm going to be cooking my ugali. As you can see, the water has come to a boil. So carefully, I'm going to add in my flour as I mix up. You're going to use a spatula and knock down the lumps as you add in some more flour. As you gradually add in some more flour while mixing. And be very careful because the ugali is very hot. Stir as the eggs are slowly cooking. And just look how gorgeous the eggs look. Back to my ugali. Cooking ugali is quite easily, as you can see. The technique is just knocking down the flour together with the water until it's fully combined. Then continue flipping and cooking for around 4 to 5 minutes. And also cooking ugali varies from person to person, because some people love soft ugali, others love the, is it hard? Others love ugali that is packed with lots of flour, so it becomes a little bit on the hard side. I love mine soft because soft ugali slaps. Going to add in a tiny bit more flour and let my ugali cook once everything is perfect. So I'm going to grab my spatula, check on my eggs. At this point, the kitchen is smelling absolutely amazing from the eggs cooking. Everything is looking perfect and gorgeous. Wow. So I'm going to add in a tiny bit of salt because the seasoning cube that we added has some salt. So I'm going to add in around a 1/4 teaspoon. Mix up. And when the eggs are almost cooking, you're going to add in your spinach. Carefully mix up the spinach together with the eggs. And remember, don't cover your pan or pot because the spinach is going to cook instead of steaming. Hence, you're going to get some soupy spinach and egg stew. In a matter of around 30 seconds, the spinach will start to wilt down and cook. So just keep on stirring. I'm going to check the seasoning. Everything is fantastic. Check on my ugali. We are multitasking over here, so you have to check on your ugali so that it doesn't burn. Flip and let the other side cook. Once the eggs are ready, this is how they're going to be looking, and as you can see, they're looking so yum. Plus, don't overcook your spinach because it's going to lose its taste. You can add in a touch of coriander to garnish, or you can enjoy the egg stew as is. When your kitchen is smelling smoky and amazing, your ugali is ready. So you're going to use your spatula, mold the ugali a little bit. This is how I've presented my spinach and egg stew. As you can see, the plate is looking absolutely gorgeous as always. And once you dig in, the ugali is soft. Still warm. I'm going to try out with my stew. I think I'm going to be adding another plate of this delicious egg and spinach because it's so delicious. The eggs are well seasoned. The ugali is perfect. That means that try out this recipe.